SI14 is 92 and the stock is extremely overbought on SI14, but may also continue to gain. Some stocks see their best performance while being overbought, but very seldom does RSI remain so high for a long time without short corrections. Risk has therefore increased and larger daily movements can be expected over the next couple of days. Big movements in microvision stock price on Monday, moving 20.42% between high and low, updated on December 21, 2020. Buy or hold candidate since the 23rd of November 2020 gain 149.78%. The microvision stock price gained 14.26% on the last trading day, Monday, 21st of December 2020, rising from $5.05 to $5.77, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 20.42% from a day low at $4.80 to a day high of $5.78. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 114.5% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -18 million shares, and in total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $126.38 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $3.77, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $5.14 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast. The microvision stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $4.28 and $2.57. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 2, 2020, and so far it has risen 258.39%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.05 and $4.99. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $4.99 may give a huge drop in the stock price. $5.05, $5.77. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 98 cents between high and low, or 20.42%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 23.99%. The microvision stock is extremely overbought on SI14, 92. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, The chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $5.62, minus 2.66%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The CIF14 is 92 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 34 days ago. Is microvision stock a buy? Microvision holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.000. The general sentiment holds a neutral evaluation of the stock right now. The sentiment is based upon 55 votes on StockTwits. Predicted opening price for microvision of Tuesday, December 22, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 22, 2020. Current price $5.45, $5.77, overvalued.